Hey yo, what's good? It's Aaron, back with another video on how to shuffle cards.
But there's only one way to shuffle cards.
Dude, I told you, we talked about this.
Wait, but...
You know what? I should probably pick those up, shouldn't I?
Yeah.
So, like I said before, I'm gonna teach you the 4 ways how to shuffle differently. So, first one's horizontal. What you do, you grab the entire deck of cards in your deck, and you get your dominant, non-dominant hand out in front of you. Dominant hand out in front of you, and you just keep placing them down together. Dominant hand, for me it's my right, and you get your non-dominant hand out in front of you. What you want to do is just let your dominant hand a little loose so that cards can slide out. One thing that I normally do to shuffle it up is to just go hand out and you just throw them down like that. Just go back and forth. Go back and forth, side to side. But there's some people that go straight in the middle and all that. But it's not the most effective, but it gets the job done. So what you want to do is get the entire deck of cards in your dominant hand, straight up and down like this, so that you have back support for it, so that it doesn't go flying when you throw it. So when you're doing it, you want to force yourself so that the cards can come out and be able to catch it. So next up, we got Las Vegas style. There's 2 ways you can do it. You can either bridge with it or at the end, or you could just leave it be and just push it back together. So the way I'm gonna teach you right now is just without the bridge. So what you wanna do is cut the deck in half, aka split it in half. Get it so that it's directly straight together no matter what. Get your thumb and middle finger on the sides of it. So thumb and middle finger on one hand with the other deck. Do the same thing. So once you have that ready, get your index fingers, put them down here in the middle, and be able to bend them. As soon as you're able to do that, put it on the table, get them as close as you can, and just let them go. So the difference is you can either push it or you can bridge it. If I want to bridge it, I'm gonna have to redo it, but just normally you would have to push it for non-bridge. With the bridge. So once again, like I said before, do exactly what you did with the non-bridge. Then, once you get to here, fold it up as much as you can, then let your fingers loose. They should just fall flat on each other like that. It makes the deck perfect and makes it mostly straight again. So it's a good way to keep them safe and keep them non-bent. But either way, this is the most effective and the most known way of shuffling decks. Just, I wanted to show the others because there are other ways. Thank you so much for watching. Click that subscribe button if you're new. Leave a like, hit that notification. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're new around here, go and click that subscribe button if you like my content. We do this every day, so make sure you subscribe if you're not already. Besides that, thanks for watching, and see you guys next time. Peace.